claustrophobic?
Yeah.
Because I'm feeling claustrophobic just putting
Yeah,
this on.
but you'll get used to it. Once you get your head in and it's open.
I have to see.
No, your cheeks need to be. Yeah.
I don't really like that feeling.
Okay, we get the tip of it.
This is.
Here, hold it.
Watch out,
You're not wearing your jacket, baby?
This is the most dangerous thing Sherry has ever done in her entire life. Cole, look out, buddy.
I can't believe you do this.
Cole,
I know. I can't believe. I can't believe you're doing this, Mom. But I know you like it. It's just like I didn't notice how much fun I wasn't having.
I don't usually shut it all the way. You don't have to shut it off.
I got you. Put my shoes on. You look scared.
Oh, these are. Oh, my back pockets weren't open for Aaron. That would have made a difference.
there goes Sherry.
Wait, let me see.
Mama.
Here, I'll show you. Step on this one to get off. Yeah.
Mama.
Cole, stay here, bud.